What's going on, guys? In today's video, it's a quick video. In fact, I'm going to show you how to have a transparent background within Blender. Now, this is if you just want to have a transparent background to see your mesh easier, or if you're trying to export a render or an animation with a transparent or alpha background. So let's get started. This works with both Eevee and cycles, so it's the same process, and I'll show you with both. You don't need to worry. And if you're new, don't worry, Blender is not scary. If you're not new, shame on you, you should know this already, but if you don't, it's okay. Okay, so let's get started. You need to be in this tab here, bang, 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 and then scroll down to where it says film, open this up, you'll see it says transparent. Enable this, bang, and just like that, you've got transparency within Blender. It's the exact same process if you're trying to do cycles. So if you enable cycles, if I scroll down and open up film, you'll see it says transparent, bang, and we are in cycles, as you can see. Exact same process, simple as that. Now, if you're trying to export your render or animation with a transparent background, the way to do so is as follows. So go down to this tab here, which is the output tab. Go down to output and change the file format to something with the transparency. So that would be something like a PNG. You can see it says RGBA. The A stands for alpha. So with this, you'll have a transparent background when you do your render. Again, if you're rendering animation with F12, by the way, to render image F12. If you want to render an animation, control F12. If you're trying to render an animation, it's the exact same thing. I would again pick PNG because you can export a PNG sequence. And now I have an alpha transparency. A few other file formats with alpha transparencies. There's TIFF, has an RGBA, A for alpha. You've got Open EXR multi-layer, but I would personally recommend exporter with a PNG because, yeah, universal. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment, like. If you found it useful, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.